out the fat. First, before you cook it, so all I have to do with this one is just add fish sauce, black pepper, and garlic. So fish sauce, garlic. So while the beef is marinating, we can definitely make the sauce now to add on to the beef later. So let's start with adding the soy sauce first. Soy sauce, you want some fish sauce, some oyster sauce, some brown sugar, white vinegar. Just make sure that everything is mixed properly. For the beef, I wanted to add some potatoes as well. I'm gonna use the air fry, and it's way less oil and way less calories. So you can eat a lot of it and not feel so guilty. I'm gonna add some chorizo. It's gonna be super delicious.